الحمد لله رب العالمين هو الذي جعلنا مسلمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. السلام عليكم. MashaAllah. We took a break. We're talking about priests and preachers in Islam. We'll come back. We're going to do some questions, answers, stuff like that. But before we get started, I thought I'd better find out, did everybody make it back? Everybody's back? Okay, if you're not back yet, raise your hand. First question. We have a question right. By the way, should we just do it the normal way? You know, always the bunch of questions and the Sheikh tries to give answers and you're like bored to death and all that stuff. Or should we do it another way? I'll ask all the questions and you give me the answers. Okay. I got another idea. How about this? Give me the answers and I'll try to guess what the question was. Well, don't laugh. They have a TV show called Jeopardy. That's what they do. Maybe I could win a trip to the Bahamas. Okay, going nowhere here. First question. Sheikh, why do you look so cute on TV? We got some special news. I just found out that someone wanted to enter Islam. So if you don't want to stay and see that, you can go ahead and go. Somebody wanted to enter into Islam. Is it from the sister's side or the brother's side? If you... Tell us your name.
Asra.
MashaAllah, it's very nice to meet you. Now, do you know about Islam?
Just for 3-4 months.
Oh, 3 or 4 months. That's more than I had when I got started. You like Islam?
Yeah.
You believe there's only one God?
I know it's on.
You know it. Don't need to worry about that. And you believe Muhammad is his messenger?
Yeah.
No doubt? Easy. Careful. Good. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You know, if you change your mind, we have to cut your head off. No. Straighten that out. Back the tape up. I can't believe he said that. All right. Yeah, by the way, I'm from Texas. I can't help it. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. It was worth a shot. Another one? Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Woo! So after me, first of all, your name.
Anna.
It's very nice to meet you. And we're excited for you. Are you excited? Okay. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la ilaha
an la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna Muhammad
an Muhammad
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! We are very happy for you. First of all, tell me your name.
Joey.
Again?
Joey?
Joey?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18 years old?
I'm 18.
So you don't want to be a Muslim?
I'm sure.
Why?
Because I've been looking for something and I've found it now and I know it's Allah.
It's not...
I swear
there's no God to worship
there's no God to worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
He has no partners.
He has no partners.
And I swear
Muhammad is his messenger.
Muhammad is his messenger. That's it. Okay, now. Easy, easy, easy.
Max?
Max?
Yes.
Is that short for Maximilian?
Yes. Yes,
It is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 17.
17. And you'd like to be a Muslim?
Yeah.
No doubt.
Nope.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, it makes sense, and I like things that make sense. So,
All right.
أشهد
Ana Muhammad
أن محمد
Rasulullah.
رسول الله.
Allahu Akbar.